Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a business flyer on Google Docs. Alright, so let's begin. Whether it's for school, business, or a fun event, this method will help you design a clean and professional flyer with ease. So the method 1, using drawings for text boxes and shapes. Step 1, open Google Docs and start a new blank document. Step 2, click on the Insert option in the menu bar at the top. Step 3, from the drop-down menu, select Drawing and then choose Plus New. Step 4, in the Drawing dialog box, click the text box icon, then drag your mouse on the canvas to create a text box. Step 5, type in the text you want for your flyer. This could include titles, headings, or any other information. Step 6, use the formatting tools to change the font size, color, or style to match your flyer's design. Step 7, once you're happy with your text, click Save and Close to insert the text box into your document. Step 8, click on the text box in your document and choose Wrap Text from the toolbar. This allows you to move it around the page freely. Step 9, if you need to make any changes, click on the text box and select Edit to update or resize it. Method 2 is adding shapes. Step 1, go to the Insert menu again, choose Drawing and click Plus New. Step 2, in the Drawing tool, click on the Shape icon and pick a shape from the list. You'll find options like circles, rectangles, and callouts. Step 3, click and drag on the canvas to create your shape and adjust its size as needed. Step 4, use the color and border options to customize the shape's appearance. You can also add text inside the shape if you like. Step 5, once your shape looks great, click Save and Close to add it to your document. Step 6, just like before, select Wrap Text to easily move the shape anywhere on your flyer. Now method 3 contains inserting images. Step 1, click on the Insert option in the menu bar, then choose Image. Step 2, select Search the web if you want to find an image online. Use the search bar to look for something relevant to your flyer. Step 3, when you find an image you like, drag it directly into your document. Step 4, alternatively, choose Upload from computer if you already have an image saved. Select the file from your Downloads folder or another location. Step 5, after inserting the image, select Wrap Text to position it freely on the page. And there you have it. You can now combine text boxes, shapes, and images to create a stunning flyer in Google Docs. So that's basically how you can make a business flyer on Google Docs. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.